So again, there's a lot of excitement and movements on the markets almost every single day. So we ended last week with the US dollar being bullish and going into a sideways consolidation. And yesterday, the US dollar again traded in a sideways range and tested its resistance at this level 100.514. However, it couldn't get past the resistance, and towards the evening, as early as this one is 1200 plus 5 is 17, which is 5 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. The US dollar starts to weaken. Okay, and the major move down came at about 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, as especially at 8 p.m. the US dollar weakened from a reading of 100.289 all the way down to 99.59. Okay, so the US dollar weakened as early as 7 p.m. and extended it from 8 p.m. onwards. Okay, so when we look at currency prices, we can also see that example, the UK pound, it touched a low of 1.2076 in the morning yesterday, went up about 36 pips in the morning session, and towards the afternoon session at about this one is 900 hours plus 5 is 14, which is 2 p.m. local Singapore time. It starts to move up from 1.2088 all the way until 1.2227. Okay, so this move up as early as 2 p.m. Singapore time to a high of 1.2225 was a move of about 138 pips up. Okay, so it's one clear direction. Again, if you manage to catch anything from 30 to 40 pips within this 130 pip move up, again that would be a good trade for the day. Okay, same goes for the euro dollar. Euro dollar has been going sideways. Even if you look at the H4 chart, okay, it's going sideways, and back on the H1 chart, as early as last Thursday, it's finding very good support at 1.0781 and starts to move up. Okay, and yesterday, again as early as this one is the real move here is this one candle, 1400 plus 5 is 19, which is 7 p.m. local Singapore time. The euro dollar moves up from 1.0811 and touches a high of 1.0926. Okay, so this was 115 pips move up, and then after that it went quiet, and as of this morning it just pulled back down a bit, about 20 pips. Okay, so that was for the UK pound and also the euro dollar. When we look at gold prices, again gold prices has been bullish for quite a while, from a low of 1671 way back in 1st of May. Okay, it has been bullish. Okay, so we can see this bullish trend continuing on the 1 hour charts. Okay, all the way back, so you can see very nicely done. And of course, as of yesterday, it touched a high of 1700 and about 65. Okay, 1765 at the tip, and towards again look at this one, 1500 plus 5 would be 20, which is 8 p.m. Local Singapore time. It comes down from 1763 all the way to a low of 1727. Okay, so yeah, so this was the most recent trend. So gold price moved down about 36 US dollars yesterday within 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Again, this was on the back of news that potential promising or a potential effective vaccine against the coronavirus has been found, and they are of course looking to do further testing to get approvals and to get manufacturing underway. Okay, however, we still need to follow up on that news, whether is it true, number one, number two, and what are the developments following the news. Okay, so we can see gold prices dropping down a lot. I took a trade yesterday on this gold price, way early. I sold at 1762 levels. Okay, so it took a couple of hours, but eventually it did drop without going up at all. So 1762, the highest was only 1765, and then at 8 p.m. it starts to move down. Okay, however, I could have closed the trade too early. I got out just at 1756 levels, as I was kind of preoccupied with something, and gold prices actually went down further, another from 1756 levels, yeah, just about here. It went down a further 28 US dollars. Okay, but it's okay. The point here is managing to identify the trend and the pattern and to get into the trade early. And of course, if you let it run a bit more, like another hour or two, the profits could be much more. Okay, so it's still okay. Let it go, let it pass. There will be other opportunities coming out in the markets almost every single day. Okay, so that was for gold prices. And for oil prices, we also can see that it's been bullish since April 21st from a low of $9.78, and yesterday it was also mostly bullish. It did pull back about $1.97, or pull back $2 at about 1900 plus 5 is 24 at about 12 midnight. Okay, yesterday Singapore time, 12 midnight, and then after that it bounced up again. Okay, so as of this morning, it found some resistance here again, and it pushed down about $1.68 so far. Currently is trying to find some support and consolidation, possibly at these levels. Okay, so we'll see how oil prices go if you are trading oil. S&P 500, again, it was bullish yesterday from about 7 p.m. onwards. 1400 plus 5, 19. 7 p.m. onwards, it was bullish all the way, and as of this morning, it is still maintaining its prices at these levels. Okay, so what else do we have? Okay, so as you can see on the daily charts, it is starting to find some resistance over here, so it could be coming back to test a lower level. Okay, potentially at these levels at about 1721 to the low side, and to the upside would be we'll be looking at the price of 1742. Okay, so again, let's have a look and see what happens in the afternoon as the big players come in, as the market volume rises, and as the price action tells us where the prices will be going. Okay, so yeah, so just watch out for again 2 to 4 p.m. today, as 2 p.m. we have some UK data coming up, and watch out for tonight 10 p.m. Mr. Jerome Powell will be speaking. Again, just watch for the markets, analyze, and hopefully we can find a trade at about 7 to 9 p.m. later on tonight. Okay, so yeah, it's a good start to the week yesterday. So I think this volatility in the markets for currencies and commodities should continue throughout this week, as we will be also having the FOMC meeting minutes coming up on this Thursday at 2 a.m. Okay, so I hope you guys have the time to spend some time on the markets and analyze the markets as the news and events moves it up and down. Okay, so have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you very much.